Time now for best reviews, and we're talking about fall drinks. And when I think fall drinks, I think Branson Stowell. How are you?
Great, thanks for having us.
All right,
Appreciate it.
so let's get right into it. Let's get into this pumpkin drink because that reeks of fall.
Yes, pumpkin spice latte is kind of the seminal drink when you think of fall, right? And it's pretty easy to make your own pumpkin spice latte at home. But the very first thing and the most important element is a black cup of coffee. And we have a very special device that we like to use to make our black cup of coffee. It is the AeroPress.
Nice.
It is very cool. It's by a company called AeroPress.
Okay.
And it retails about $35 and it's super simple, super quick. Uses a filter, you put the coffee grounds in there, boom, add hot water, and you have a great cup of coffee. Now the second most important ingredient, of course, is the pumpkin spice mix. And we have a very simple recipe here that calls for 2 cups of milk, a half a cup of pumpkin puree, a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then the most important thing, which is the pumpkin pie spices, nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and cloves. You can use whatever sweetener you like. I am going to be using a syrup today.
Okay.
And you add to taste. So just add a little drizzle.
That's a good, I like that though. That's
a generous
good
drizzle
for me.
here. And to mix it all together, we have this milk frother by Powerlix.
Okay.
Which is so fantastic. It's only about $15. And basically, it'll help us stir up this delicious mixture in here and give that lovely, lovely flavor and also make it nice and foamy. I usually like to do about 3 parts coffee and 1 little part of this pumpkin spice mix.
All right.
And voila, nice, creamy, warm, fantastic.
There you go. That's great. What about drinks for like parties, tailgates, different things like that?
Yeah, so we also have this option, like if you're not really into coffee, there's tea, right?
Okay.
Maybe you're a tea person, so we actually suggest making your own chai, which is fantastic and super easy. The very first and most important ingredient is the product, which is the tea infuser here. I like these ones that can hang off the edge of a pot. So you're just gonna add peppercorns, cloves, some nutmeg, and then you're gonna ground up some cardamom pods.
Okay.
You're gonna seal it up, add it to the edge of a pot that's hot with your choice of black tea, and then voila, you can make your own chai in minutes.
And then let's finish off with these right here. I mean, this is the real deal. This is the booze here, huh?
Yes, so we have our own special fall-themed cocktail here at Best Reviews. It's apple cider bourbon, and we're gonna show you how to make it. It's super, super easy. So you're gonna get a cocktail shaker. You're gonna fill it about halfway up with ice, 2 parts bourbon, 1 part apple cider, and then you're gonna get 1 part red sweet vermouth.
Nice.
Add just a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of bitters.
Gotta get the bitters in there.
Gotta get the Angostura bitters, and then you're gonna mix it all up with a spoon here.
And then you're good to go.
And since this is not a drink that has egg white, you don't need to shake it. And you can add a rosemary sprig or a little apple slice to garnish.
All right, Branson, fall beverages, I love it. Where do people find you guys?
BestReviews.com. Our goal is to simplify your purchasing decisions.
There you go.